So this right here that you see on the screen, you see that it's $56 right there. This is how you can make money the very same day. So it's the same day. I'm going to show you a website where you can make money on that same day that you sign up for that website. And if you do have the time to put in the work, you can make this type of money and even a little bit more as well. So as you can see that the system paid out $56 and you can make this money and it will be sent to your PayPal account. So I'm going to show you how you can earn money in the same day using this method, this website. And if you follow me and you watch this video all the way to the end, don't try to skip out because I know a majority of you, every time I show you these payment proofs, as you can see right here, total earnings over $117.50. As soon as I tell you the name of the website, the first thing that you do, you stop the video, you run over there, and then you miss out on the most important things, and then you come back and then you leave comments down below that Andre, it didn't work. Well, stick through the video. Watch the video all the way to the end so you can know. So if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, welcome. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. And there it is right there. That's some payment proof of how you can earn this type of money over and over again. So in the same day, you can make this money. So I'm going to walk you through the entire process. So here is the website that you can do unlimited tasks. You can invite friends. They also do instant payments, 24/7 instant payment that you can make, that you can get, sorry to say, and you can sign up for the task. You can complete surveys. You can upload videos all in one right about that particular website. And just like I said earlier, invite friends. So this name of this website right here is called Pidera.com. And if you want to go over to the payment proof, you can click on the payment proof right here and they will show you lots of different payment proofs. So I'm going to show you that all you got to do is just create an account. Once you click on the account, it says create an account. It is absolutely free. You don't need to have any money to do this. So you create a free account and you can start earning money right away. So if you join today, you can make 15% more on the task that you complete. Now, they're also going to give you a bonus. It's going to be like a 50-cent bonus immediately when you sign up. So that's just a head start that you can do. Are you going to get super rich doing this? Absolutely not. But it's a good way to make some money while you really don't have much things to do. So instead of sitting down and watching Netflix and Hulu and tons of different shows, you could come on here and make a little bit of money if you get home from work, and you could do that as well. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. You're going to put your first name, so I can put my first name. You all know what my last name is already, and you can choose whatever username that you want to put in here. You want to pick an email, and they prefer for you to have a Gmail email. So if you don't have a Gmail email, you want to make sure that you sign up for a Gmail account. Gmail is free. Just sign up for a Gmail account. And as I told you before, you always want to sign up with an email address, especially with Gmail, that you can use for all these type of stuff for your online business, for your task, and to make it easier. Put your password here. Just create a password. You can generate a password and you can confirm the password right here. Click on the sign up tab. Once you click on the sign up tab, what they're going to do, they're going to send you an email immediately. So this is what the email looks like. As you can see right there, they said, Andre, you need to verify your email address. So right here, I get my email address. You don't need to reply to it, right? You go right here, you click on this link, you verify everything. And then once you verify it, then you should be good to go. As soon as you verify, then it's time for you to log in. Now you're gonna head on over to the right hand side and then you click on the login tab. So you can put your email address here and then you put your password that you've created and you can sign in and you can go straight into it. Now here's some payment proof that I wanted to share with you that people are actually making money with this. As I said, I'm going to show you some proof that people are actually crushing it online using this method. And these are payment proofs and also reviews from different students. As you can see right here, this student said he made $20, right? This is $20 right here. That's $20. And there, if you scroll down here, that's 56 bucks right there. I just received $20. It was fast processing time. Really really nowadays it really helped the situation because of the pandemic. So people who have no working in the pandemic, this is a great way how to make a little bit of money. This person right here made $20. Another person is saying it's excellent money making website. They started in 2020, so they've been doing it a long time. So right, that's right there. There's 30 bucks that this person made, and he withdraw the money, and once they withdraw, it goes straight into their account. That's how it is. They always update their site because they want to show you that this thing works. And this person made $30 right away. It seems like a lot of people are taking out 30 bucks, 30 bucks. They're just withdrawing that $30 because it seems like that is the threshold, right? Or yeah, I think I said that right. There's a 30 bucks right here. So once you log in, as you can see, this is the account, and you're going to get a 50 cent. As soon as you sign up, they're going to give you 50 cents. So 50 cents, this is the dashboard. So as you can see, that's the dashboard right here. You make 50 cents right off the bat, and you can start to do like video tutorials. You can do micro tasks. You can do some surveys if you want, and you can also join the referral program. So the good thing about this company, they are willing to pay up to $3 for 1,000 clicks. So every time somebody click on it, so for 1,000 clicks, you can make $3, which means in order for you to make 10,000, in order for you to make $30, you need to have a good solid what? 10,000 clicks. If you times 3 by 1,000, no, it's probably going to be more. So you're going to need a lot more clicks in order for you to even receive, because yeah, this is 2006, $6, 3,000 is $9. Yeah, so 10,000 clicks. What am I saying? Yeah. So yeah, 10,000 clicks and you're going to make 30 bucks. So I think most people get to 10,000 clicks and they will cash out. You also get a 10 cent per view. As you can see, this is a brand new account. So it's a brand new account. I signed up. I haven't clicked on, checking any clicks as yet. But despite the reviews and everything, this particular website and all the payment proof, they are paying money. So people are using this website to cash out every single day. Now, once you do that, all you're going to do, I'm going to show you another website that you can go to even make a little bit more money. But this particular website that is called Tendry.com. So Tendry.com, you can come on here and you can see there's a lot of people on here that you can grab your affiliate link, which is going to be your personal affiliate link. And once you get that personal affiliate link, and I'm going to leave this affiliate link in the description as well, that you can sign up for it. It's 1,000 clicks. You make $3. Now you could come over here, as you could see, there's 1.2 million views. There's over 118,000 views. There's 163 views. So you can click on the Make Money Online forum. This is a forum that you can go and you can post. Reviews. You can write different things, and you can even share your links. This person right here, he posts, "Hey, can you tell me some new ways of make money online?" Now he posted this on Thursday. There's 33 minutes ago. I'll click on it, and once I click on it, I'll go through here. So he's looking for recommendations. There's people down here that is sharing all these things. And then what you could do, you just sign up for this particular forum, and all you need to do is just click on here and tell them exactly, "Hey, listen, I can share with you a way how I make money," and they can come over here and they could do surveys on this particular website as well. They can create their new account, and each time somebody sign up for your referral link, you're going to get 10 cents. So it adds up pretty quickly because there's so many people are viewing this millions and millions of people are viewing it, and you can you can reply to this person, and you can tell them, hey, here's a great website, but just don't just paste your link there. Write something nice. Hey, how are you doing, Noshal? This is Andre, and I've always find good ways of make money online. This was recommended from a guy from YouTube, and I seen it, and I wanted to share it with you as well. And here is the link. You could sign up. You can also share it with your friends and your family, and you don't have to think about consistently make money because you're not selling anything. All he has to do is just click on it. Even if he click on it and he didn't sign up for the referral program, guess what? You're going to be making money too because that's a click, right? So 1,000 clicks and you have so many people viewing on this consistently over and over again. Now, once you post it on here and you want to make a little bit more money where you don't want to keep posting. Let's say you make $15 or $30. If you make $30 and you want to make a little bit more, here's another website that you could go. You can go to a website that's called adclerks.com. So this website that I told you about is called right here. Let me show you. Trendy.com. So trendy.com, you can put your links on there with some good verbiage. And here, this is where you would pay these people. And right here, they for $15, right? For $15, there's 1.7 million impressions. So 1.7 million impressions, meaning there's 1.7 million people are going to be looking at it, not 1.7 million people are going to be clicking on. So let's say out of 1.7 million people that actually view it, and for example, 100,000. Let's just put it. 100,000 people actually click on the link. Times that. 100,000 times 3. You're looking at probably a good $300. So a nice $300 by spending $15. That is not bad at all. So these are the ways how you can maximize your results so you're not chasing friends and family members, is doing little things like this. Take one thing, maximize it, and make a little bit more money. As I said to you before, I'm going to leave my link down below so you can sign up with this link if you want to sign up for it. And if not, you can just go straight to the website. That's totally cool. So I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you need my #1 recommendation, of course, check out the link down below. Peace.